Hi, beautiful people. Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel, The Abundant Mystic Goddess. I'm here to do you a tarot reading. This reading will be ranging from 15th of September to the end of September, and the messages can also apply for the duration wherein you see this. So, if you accidentally land up on this reading, it may or may not resonate with you. Since this is a general reading, please understand not all messages that come in the reading will resonate with your situation. So I request you to please use your own intuition and discretion to take and accept whatever goes with you. I believe you will know the best about your life. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hi Aquarius, hope you all are doing great. I'm really sorry for posting out your readings really late. I was supposed to post it on 14th but couldn't somehow do it. That day I had some internet challenges and the next 2 days were a little hectic for me. So I hope you guys would forgive me for the same. So quickly starting with what I see for you. I feel you guys are, I'll be honest, I feel you guys are walking away from someone whom you really loved or whom you felt was everything for you, probably a soulmate or a twin flame connection, or someone or something, probably an opportunity or a project which felt like it was everything for you. It felt amazing. And I see that there has been some disappointment in the past. There had been some situation in your recent past or maybe in the past few months which has forced you guys to walk away from whatever the situation is. It can be personal, it can again be anything. I would say related to wherever it fits. Apply your intuition for the same. So I straight away see that there has been something that has hurt you, something which has been painful, and it was definitely something that did not fill up your cups. Maybe an unfulfilling relationship with someone whom you were really connected to, or it can even be that you're turning your back from a job or a career or a project that you thought you were meant to carry on with, and this person or this opportunity doesn't excite you anymore. It's like this luster is gone, the happiness, the content is gone. And I feel that you guys had invested a lot of emotions or put in a lot of hard work for this situation in the past, and you somewhere had expectations. You had expectations of bright and beautiful future, or maybe the fact that you expected something in return from this opportunity or person. And since that didn't happen the way you thought it would, you have been hurt. You have been disappointed. You realize that you are not going to get anything out of this situation, and I see that you guys are becoming a little practical, which is why you think that the only choice you are left with is to leave this thing in the past and carry your life forward. You don't want to stagnate, and it's kind of good. For how long would you want to repent over something which is no more? You feel something on an emotional and spiritual level, and you feel that this thing is missing in your life, and this is obviously necessary for you, which is why you are leaving this situation in the past and moving on, and you are searching for that perfect mutually exclusive relationship or a person who could be entirely yours. There's serious commitment, or this is an opportunity that gives you whatever you expect. And since this situation is something that has deeply hurt you or caused you a lot of pain, you've kind of put up walls around you. You've tried to seclude yourself from this situation, and you feel everything is going to turn wrong against you. you feel hurt. Obviously, a person who has had bad experience, be it professionally, be it personally, tends to get defensive. And that's what I see is happening with you. I think that's your mindset for now. And you want to protect the soft core within you from these situations that hurt you. And I see that whatever this situation is, you're ready to leave that in the past, as I said earlier. However, I also feel that somehow you secretly hope for a beautiful opportunity in the future. And I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. I'm not sure if you guys heard. Okay, so all I was saying is that obviously everyone dreams of having a beautiful future, and I think that's what is happening with you right now. You have dreams of a beautiful future, be it in regards to your connections or be it regards to your opportunities. And you hope that you meet someone or an organization or a project that understands you, that loves you, accepts you, and feels like home. Because right now that home kind of feeling is missing in you. And you hope that you meet such a person one day. Since you realize all of this, you're currently concentrating on something that gives you mental peace. It can be any sort of meditation activity, or it can even be that you are traveling somewhere, because let's accept traveling does change our mind, and it does give a bit of happiness, a bit of content, a bit of peace for the moment. Or it can also be that you realize that you need to move on from such a person or an opportunity and give time to yourself. So I see that you will be taking care of yourself in either of the situations, be it either you're traveling or you're mentally moving on from something. You're giving yourself the nurture and the care that is required. You're spending time with yourself and you're loving yourself, which is a beautiful thing. And then you have emotions, you have kept it in one corner, but you're not restricting it. Probably you're looking out for an opportunity wherein you should invest it. So overall, I see a wonderful reading. What I also see in your future is that in the near future, you will get an opportunity at the perfect time, obviously, and that is of immense importance in your case. At the perfect time, probably in the near future, you are going to be presented with an opportunity which has the potential to grow into something amazing. And I see you taking that opportunity for yourself. It can be a person, it can be your career, your money, your health, it can be anything. Apply it wherever it fits. And I do see you taking that opportunity and taking charge of it, and you are going to get into a go-getter kind of a mindset. You are going to march towards achieving whatever it is with all the valor, with all the courage and strength, and you will be successful. Mind it, guys, you will be successful. Also, what I see for you is, I see that you are being called to let your intuition play the role for you. I feel that you are connected to a group of souls which kind of are helping you from the exteriors. You may not be able to see it right now. It can be your spirit guides. And trust me, guys, we never feel it. I mean, we don't see them, but we do have their presence amongst us. They try to communicate, and since they have a non-intervention contract, I'm sure most of you don't believe in it, but it's there, because once you pass out from this world physically, when you become a spirit, you cannot contact the 3D humans without their permission, and obviously you will not see them right in front of you to ask for their permissions, for your permission. So they communicate via some signals, some synchronicities or numbers. At times they do come in your dreams. your dreams also may have meanings, multiple meanings. So what I feel is you're being called to acknowledge that you are intuitive. You're being called to accept whatever your spirit guides are trying to tell you. And I think you are being called to connect with people on the other side of the world. There is something magical. Listen to yourself, and I'm sure you will know about it much more than any of us. There is something in your ancestral line, your probably ancestors, I would say. Maybe they are trying to connect with you. If you are seeing them in your dreams, if somebody recently passed away and that person appears in your dreams, even if they don't say something, there's always a meaning behind it. So please look into that and trust your intuition. I'm sure they are guiding you the way. So that's your reading, Aquarius. I hope it resonated with you. In case it did, do write down to me. And if in case you really enjoyed this reading, please help me reach out to more people by liking, sharing, following and saving. Come back for more. Until then, happy weekend.